Welcome to class 9 mathematics. In your previous class already we had discussed exercise 1.2. Today I am going to discuss real numbers and their decimal expansion. The decimal expansion of a rational number is either terminating or non-terminating repeating. A number whose decimal expansion is terminating or non-terminating repeating is a rational number. I am going to discuss what is terminating, what is non-terminating repeating. I will discuss them. First, take one example. Represent 3 by 5 as a decimal representation. Represent 3 by 5 as a decimal representation. By long division method, we know how to divide. 3 divided by 5. 3 is less than 5, so 0 here. 3 minus 0 gives us 3 only. Write 0 here and 0 point here also 0 point. 5 6 are 30. 30 minus 30 gives us 0. Therefore, the decimal expansion of 3 by 5 is 0.6. This is a finite or terminating. Finite means after decimal point only one digit, so that is a finite number of digits. Or terminating is nothing but what? There is a end. Here remainder becomes 0. So this is a finite or terminating decimal expansion. Take another example, that is 11 divided by 8. By long division method again, 11 by 8. 8 1 8. 11 minus 8 gives us 3. Write 1 0 here. Put point. 8 3 is 24. 30 minus 24 gives us 6. Again write 0. 60. 8 7 is 56. 60 minus 56 is 4. Again take 1 0. It gives us 40. 8 5 is 40. 40 minus 40 gives us 0. Therefore, the decimal expansion of 11 by 8 is 1.375. Here also finite or terminating. Finite means after decimal place 1 2 3 digits only. So finite number of digits. Or terminating is nothing but what? Remainder is 0 here. Take another example, that is 14 divided by 3. 14 by 3. 3 4 is 12. 14 minus 12 is 2. 0 take point here. 3 6 is 18. 20 minus 18 gives us 2. Again 0. 3 6 is 18. 20 minus 18 gives us 2. 0. 3 6 is 18. 2. See, in all the cases 2 is repeating. Remember 2 is repeating here. So 2 is repeating. Therefore, the decimal expansion of 14 by 3 is equal to 4.666. 4.666. 6 is repeating here. It can be written as 4.6 above bar. This above bar indicates what? 6 is repeating. Therefore, we can say this is non-terminating repeating. Non-terminating repeating, because there is no end. Remainder is not equal to 0 here. So this is non-terminating but repeating. See, 2 is repeating. Remember 2 is repeating, or here 6 quotient digit is repeating. So this is non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. Next, one more example. 1 by 7. 1 by 7. By long division method, we have 1 divided by 7. 7 is less, 1 is less than 7. So 0, 1 as it is. Take 1 0. You have to write 0 point here. It gives us 10. 7 1 is 7. 10 minus 7 is 3. Write 0. It gives us 30. 7 4 is 28. 30 minus 28 is 2. Write 0. 20. 7 2 is 14. 20 minus 14 is 6. Write 0. 7 8 is 56. 60 minus 56 is 4. Again 0. 7 5 is 35. 5 remainder. Next again 0. 50. 7 7 is 49. 1 0. 7 1 is 7 3. See, in this case remainder 3 is repeated. Here also remainder 3. So remainder 3 is repeating here. Therefore 1 by 7, the decimal expansion of 1 by 7 is 0.142857. For all these digits above bar, it indicates what? These digits will again repeat. These digits will again repeat. It is nothing but what? 0.142857, 142857, 142857 and so on. 142857 will repeat here. By seeing these examples, we have to conclude, we have to see some note here. Note, the decimal expansion of a rational number is said to be terminating, then the prime factorization of denominator is of the form 2 raised to m into 5 raised to n, where m and n are non-negative integers. Without doing the long division, check whether the given fraction or rational number is either terminating or non-terminating, just by seeing the denominator of the fraction or rational number. See, in the first case example, you have to take 3 by 8. 3 divided by 8 can be written as 2 raised to 3. 2 to the power 3 gives us what? 8. Into 5 is not here, we can write this one, 5 raised to 0. It gives us what now? 1 only. So we can write denominator in the form of 2 raised to m into 5 raised to n. So this is terminating decimal expansion. Already said, the decimal expansion of a rational number is said to be terminating, then the prime factorization of denominator is of the form 2 raised to m into 5 raised to n, where m and n are non-negative integers. I said first example, 3 by 8 can be written as 3 by 2 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 0. So this is a terminating decimal expansion. Take another example, 17 divided by 5. 17 divided by 5 raised to 1 into 2 is not here, but we can write 2 to the power 0 gives us 1. So 17 divided by 5 raised to 1 into 2 raised to 0. In this case also denominator is in the form of 5 raised to n into 2 raised to m, or 2 raised to m into 5 raised to n. So this is also a terminating decimal expansion. One more note, I hope you understood this one. Terminating without doing long division, we can check the denominator. If denominator is in the form of 2 raised to m into 5 raised to n, means the prime factorization of denominator is 2 raised to n and 5 raised to n form, we can say that is a terminating. Second note, the decimal expansion of a rational number is said to be non-terminating but repeating, then prime factorization of denominator is not of the form 2 raised to m into 5 raised to n, where m and n are non-negative integers. Example, 1 by 3. 1 by 3 cannot be written, 3 denominator 3 cannot be written in the form of 2 into 5. So this is a non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. One more, 1 by 17. In this case also 17 can't be written 2 into 5. So this is non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. I hope you understood. Without doing long division, we have to conclude, we have to see the denominator. If the denominator is in the form of 2 raised to m into 5 raised to n, it is nothing but 2 into 5. If 2 into 5 are just 2 or 5, we can say that is terminating decimal expansion. If it is denominator is not in the form of 2 into 5, that is non-terminating decimal expansion. Without doing long division, we can conclude. I hope you understood. In next video, I will discuss conversion of terminating decimal to the form p by q. How to convert terminating decimals to rational number form. I will discuss in next class.